Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Google Forms language. So if your Google Forms stuck in the wrong language, you don't need to worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change language of Google Forms in just a few clicks. So Google Forms uses your Google's account language settings, so we need to change that. So in here, what you need to do is just go to this page, myaccount.google.com, and then go to the personal info options. And in here you can just find the language settings. So here you can just scroll down until you find the general preferences for the web and choose the language options. And here you can just click on this pencil icon to edit. Now you can just add the language that you want, select your desired language, for example English, Indonesian, Hindi or Spanish. So just choose that and tap on save. And after that you can just go back to your Google form and refresh it, or open the forms that you want to change. So now everything should now appear in your selected language. But if your form is still showing question in the old language, remember those are manually typed, so you'll need to edit them directly inside the form. And that's it. Now your Google Forms speaks your language. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe for more Google tips, and let me know in the comments if you need help with forms or sheets. Don't forget to click on the thanks.